Good morning, student. Once again, welcoming all of you in my organic chemistry concept class. And in this particular class, we are going to talk about a very important chapter from organic chemistry, and that is aldehyde and ketone. आज हम लोग aldehyde और ketone के बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन को करेंगे। क्या कहते हैं aldehyde और ketone को, इसका क्या और नाम होता है, इसके फंक्शनल ग्रुप क्या है, जनरल फार्मूला क्या है, कैसे कॉमन नेम लिखते हैं, आईपीसी नेम लिखते हैं, इन सभी टॉपिक को हम लोग कवर करेंगे आज के इस वीडियो लेक्चर में। तो एल्डिहाइड और कीटोन को कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड भी कहा जाता है। एंड व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड? बिकॉज इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ कार्बन ऑक्सीजन डबल बॉन्ड, and all those organic compounds which consist of carbonyl group are said to be as carbonyl compound. Aldehyde and ketone are the very first two members of carbonyl compound. There are some other carbonyl compounds are also known, like carboxylic acid, which consists of carbonyl group and hydroxy group, and all the derivatives of carboxylic acid. In this particular edition, we'll talk about aldehyde and ketones only. How aldehyde represented R bond CHO or R bracket H CHO. The very first member of this family started with hydrogen HCHO, which is known as formaldehyde, or it can be represented like this: R bond H, C double bond O, H. Functional group is CHO, aldehyde group. It can be structurally represented in this particular way, which shows the carbonyl group, carbon oxygen double bond. It is an example of electron withdrawing group. What is the IPC name? Alkanal. Alkane plus al, and it is considered as carbonyl compound because it consists of carbonyl group. Now, representation of ketone. This is the representation: R bond C double bond O. R represent alkyl group. R equal to R dash, then it is said to be a symmetrical ketone, and R not equal to R dash, then the ketone is said to be as unsymmetrical ketone. In case of having R equal to R dash, we can write this formula: R whole twice CO or R whole twice C double bond O. It also consists of carbonyl group, and its common name is dialkyl ketone. And when it is dialkyl ketone, when R equal to R dash, both the alkyl groups are identical, and its IPC name is alkanol, alkane plus on. So this is the basic introduction about the very first two families of carbonyl compound, which are aldehyde and ketone. In the next part, we will try to understand the different types of compounds belonging to this particular family, aldehyde and ketones, and we also talk about their common name and IPC name. Till then, thank you and goodbye.